Hi guys, it's Larry. We're at a job site today that we're going to be installing two products from GASLAND. We're going to be putting a range drop-in top today, and also we're going to put an oven in today. They're both products from GASLAND, and so the first thing we're going to do is show you the box, how it comes. Here's the box when it came. Pretty lightweight. One person can pick it up. It's not heavy at all. So we'll open it up here. As you can see, it's pretty well protected and safe because it is a glass top, and so it's completely enclosed. It's not going to get broke. So we took the plastic off the top here just to show you the range here. So first thing we need to do, we need to cut the top out, and once we get that cut out, we'll be able to start the process of installing this cooktop. As you can see, I used the jigsaw. We measured this all out, and then we cut around the perimeter here. I always put a couple block pieces of wood on top so that keeps the countertop from falling through as we cut it. And once we get it all cut with the jigsaw, we can basically lift this up, and we have a hole here ready for the countertop to be installed. As you can see, it does come with a pigtail with the wiring, so we basically put that in first. Now, they came in the box also as clips that go on the outside perimeter of this, and we'll get them installed. And you see the little bag here, we've got the clips. So we're going to put these on the perimeter here. Looks really nice. It's, like I said, it's a glass top. As you can see, everything in the front here is all touch driven. So you have two burners here, a bigger one here, and a smaller one here. So basically you would click on that, and that would light that up. And then you can decide which temperature you need. Okay, as you also see, these two burners right here, there's two buttons here that will help sync this area. So if you have a griddle or something, you could probably put a griddle across here and cook your pancakes or whatever you need off of this. But these two do sync together.